Jamie, the crash happened a little over 2 weeks ago, just after midnight, and we can show you some of the video from that crash. It was obtained by News 9 Investigates. Rindge Police did the investigation to make sure it was independent and fair, and they found that Officer Igor Celzner didn't yield to another cruiser which had the right of way and was at fault for the accident. The crash happened on Turnpike Road near Grove Street. Investigators say Celzner had done a U-turn because he was trying to stop a car that had been speeding, but when he pulled off, he didn't see the second cruiser that was coming towards him.
During this testing with Massachusetts State Police, they did find that they looked at other testing that showed that people tend to stare at bright, dazzling lights.
They ended up crashing, and both officers had minor injuries. The Jaffrey Police Chief said in a statement, quote, "There are no excuses. A mistake was made and it was our fault." And the cruisers have been totaled, and the department says they are now working to replace them.
Mother and you chuck it on your father, you chuck it on your brother and you chuck it on your sister, you chuck it on that one and you chuck it on me, bad boy.